English-Estonian future to be, I will be.
ma saan olema.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to time travel into Estonian? Let's make future promises sound awesome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, downloads, and bite-sized drills. Today we'll nail the English-Estonian future to be with crystal clear phrases like, I will be.
Ma saan olema.
And a full set for you, he, she, it, we, you, plural, and they. Buckle up. Your goal today. By the end, you'll promise your future like a pro, confident, clear, and on time. Your mini mission. Say every person correctly.
Ma saan olema. Sa saad olema.
He, she.
Ta saab olema. See saab olema. Me saame olema.
Plural you.
Te olete.
And.
Nad saavad olema.
Keep your ear on the rhythm. 3 beats for most. Subject, saab, saad, sami, saavad, olema. Call and response drills. Echo me out loud. Yes, actually say it. Your future self thanks you. I will be on time.
Ma saan olema.
Oigol ajal. You, singular, will be ready tomorrow.
Sa saad olema.
Valmis. He will be at the station at 6.
Ta saab olema.
Jamas kel kuz. She will be our leader.
Ta saab olema.
Me jut. It will be okay.
See saab olema.
Chorus. We will be at home.
Me saame olema.
Kodus. You, plural, will be on stage at 7.
Te olete.
Laval kel seitsi. They will be champions.
Nad saavad olema.
Maestrid. Mini dialogues. Now let's make it real with tiny, funny scenes. A. Are you nervous about the test? B. Nah.
Ma saan olema.
Rahulik. It's fine. Coach, tomorrow.
Te olete.
Laval kel seitsi. Band. Copy that. Sound check at 5. A. Where is Mark at noon? B.
Ta saab olema.
Contourus. And Anna? A.
Ta saab olema.
Kuzali cool. A. If the plan works, how is it? B.
See saab olema.
Vega litany. Manager, after training.
Nad saavad olema.
Valmis manguks. Team. Let's go. Forms and rhythm. Clap or tap your desk. Feel the beat and speak the promise. 1, 2, 3.
Ma saan olema.
I will be. 1, 2, 3.
Sa saad olema.
You, SG, will be. 1, 2, 3.
Ta saab olema.
He, she will be. 1, 2, 3.
See saab olema.
It will be. 1, 2, 3.
Me saame olema.
We will be. 2 beats, smooth.
Te olete.
You, place, will be, by context. 1, 2, 3.
Nad saavad olema.
They will be. Culture tip. How Estonian talks about tomorrow. Quick pro insight so you sound natural in Estonia. Estonian often uses the present for future context when time is clear, like, tomorrow we're home, me oleme kodus. But when you want a strong promise or plan, use sama plus olema.
Me saame olema.
Kodus. Both are fine, you're learning when to add that extra promise vibe. Quick quiz. Answer fast, then I'll confirm. Speak your answers aloud. Q1. Translate. You, singular, will be. Answer.
sa saad olema.
Q2. Say, he will be ready. Answer.
ta saab olema.
Valmis. Q3. Translate, it will be okay. Answer.
see saab olema.
Chorus. Q4. Say, we will be at home. Answer.
me saame olema.
Kodus. Q5. Translate, you, plural, will be on stage at 7. Answer.
te olete.
Laval kel saptsi. Q6. Say, they will be champions. Answer.
nad saavad olema.
Maistrid. Challenge. 15-second promise sprint. Ready? Make 5 future promises right now. Go. 1. I will be early.
ma saan olema.
Virajan. 2. You, SG, will be great.
sa saad olema.
Suureparain. 3. She will be there at 6.
ta saab olema.
Seal kel kuz. 4. We will be on time.
me saame olema.
Oigel ajal. 5. They will be happy.
nad saavad olema.
Analikid. Outro. You did it, future promises, unlocked. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, exercises, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. Keep practicing.
ma saan olema. sa saad olema. ta saab olema. see saab olema. me saame olema. te olete.
And
nad saavad olema.
you've got this. Same time tomorrow?